Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to be talking about the rigid batteries. So it's been a while where I wanted to buy the 6 amp one. The last time the deal that they had was from Direct Tool, I think for $72 or something, and it was pretty good too, but I missed it out. So today we have this from Home Depot. And as you can see right here, 169, and this one, it's come the 6 amp, the 4 amp, and a charger kit and a bag. Like I stated, I like rigid because of the lifetime service agreement. So, and you can see here it says free gift with purchase. So you click on here. Oh wow, look at this one right here. If you click on this item right here and you add both to this one right here, and as you can see that the batteries now comes down to $82.07, and the saw $86, so for a total of $169. That's pretty cheap. That's awesome. However, this morning when I bought it, I don't think I see the option for the saw. All I see was just the single battery, which is like $74 or something, a little bit cheaper. So I ended up paying a lot more. I think like $96 for this altogether plus tax, like $112. And I just picked it up right here. Here it is. So I do have the old octane one, and I do have this is the 4 amp one. This one I bought it on sale for like $45 for 2. I think it was last year before Thanksgiving. But this is the 6 amp. This is the one. So reason why I wanted the 6 amp is because I put it on this fan over here, and the 6 amp will last it like pretty much like all night long. So, and this is the octane one. This one has Bluetooth. Supposedly this is one of the highest end of the rigid model, but for some reason they discontinued it, and now they come out with this one. So a little bit about this one is like like max output starter kit, up to 2 times more power, up to 5 times more runtime. And I was reading on the back of this, and something that it's kind of, where was it? Okay, here it is. So it says here, no, over here. Okay, I didn't know that until, because I was just curious. I was just want to know where the batteries was made. And so, and after reading this, it says the 4 amp max output battery cells made from China with further processing in Vietnam. The 6 amp is battery cells from Singapore with further processing in China. The charger is made in Vietnam. The tool bag is made in China and Vietnam. Okay, so let's unbox it and let's see what it has. This is the 4 amp right here. You can see it. Right here, this 4 amp. Let me take off the plastic. $4 amp compared to the other 4 amp. Okay, 4 amp. Let's take out the charger. This one and this one. So it looks like it's very thin, very small compared to the one that I have for the 6 amp and the 3 amp kit back then, the charger is really huge. It's big. Okay, how do I put this back? Put it back over there. Let's take out the, and we have the manual, the instructions, and the tool bag. Not bad. It's pretty big. All right, I don't know how to put it back now. It's still big. Okay. The 6, looks like the 6 amp, they do like a more, they take good care of it. They put it in a box, tape it all around instead of the 4 amp. Let's open it up. Ooh, wow. Look at the 6 amp. You know what? They even put it in a Ziploc bag for the 6 amp. See that? Ooh. Voila. Turn on the other light too. Let's see. Wow. Look at the 6 amp. I think the 6 amp's almost the same size as the 4 amp. It is the same size. How are they able to put it together? Wow. 6 amp, 4 amp, same identical size. How did they do that? Okay, let's compare it to my old 6 amp. Look at that. It's huge. It's probably a lot heavier too. 6 amp. See that? 6 amp. Puny tiny. Tiny one. Small one. Wow. So again, if you're in if you're just like me who just only need the batteries, then you can return the saw or any other tool, free tool that you pick. But if you need the tool and everything, I think for what, like the whole kit, like $169, I think that's not bad of a deal. But in my case, I already have enough, and I don't really need any more tool. So I didn't pick up the other ones. So I didn't pick up the battery. So I think after 3 days, if you don't pick it up, they're just gonna cancel it, and you only get charged for what you picked up. So okay, so if you guys in the market for batteries, you know, hop onto it, homedepot.com, and I believe they're gonna have more discount to it, more saving, because the last time I talked to one of the customer service, they say that they're wrapping up for like almost like a Black Friday sale. They're gonna have a lot of setup in the store for just rigid products, a lot of promotion. So but in the meantime, to me, this is a saving, so that's why I jumped on it. If you guys have any questions, leave a comment below. But other than that, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.